Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're making two easy and delicious sauces for your gyros or platters. Creamy, refreshing tzatziki sauce and a bold, spicy red sauce. Fresh, quick, and perfect for any Mediterranean meal. Let's get started. For the refreshing tzatziki sauce, grate a cucumber. Squeeze out the excess water. Use kitchen paper and squeeze dry to avoid watery tzatziki. Chop 2 tablespoons of mint or dill. Then, in a bowl, mix cucumber, grated and squeezed dry, fresh dill or mint, chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup, that's 240 grams, Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 15 grams, salt and pepper to taste. Transfer it to a glass bowl and chill until ready. For the spicy red sauce, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small pan. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon paprika. Four tablespoons, 60 grams, tomato paste. Add water to loosen, then finish with 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste, and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and slightly thickened. Transfer it to the bowl and let it cool. And there you have it, homemade tzatziki and spicy red sauce, ready to serve with gyros, grilled meats or veggies. fresh, flavorful, and better than store-bought. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more delicious sauces and meals. See you in the next recipe. Thanks for watching.